Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to import a preset into Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can get started with opening up your project or creating a new project, and you'll be greeted by the menu right here where you can get started with your composition. So you want to input your composition info such as the quality, fill out all the info that you need, and after that click OK, and now we can get started with our project. So this is how our composition looks here. Now we can either get started with opening a project right here in the file option by opening a new project we already have or creating a new one if we do not already have one, and now we can get started with our presets. So basically guys, the program is going to automatically scan our folder for presets when it opens up. So in your folder, in your Adobe After Effects, where your presets are, you want to go ahead and input all the presets that you want to input into Adobe After Effects. If it's scanned the folder, it will find them and you'll be able to import them here. So as you can see right here, the right side of the screen, under Effects and Presets, we can find all the animation presets that we have under this program. We have the backgrounds, behaviors, images, and so on. Everything we might want to use, we can find right here under animation presets, or we can just go to your folder directly and drag and drop those presets that we want to use directly right here into the program, and then we can use them from this project side right here and input any preset that we might want to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.